You wake up, you check your bank account. $14.73. Sound familiar? You're working, you're trying, but somehow you're always broke. The truth? Being broke isn't just about how much you earn. It's about what you believe, what you do, and what you don't do. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly why you're broke and how to break free from it, starting today. No fluff, just real talk, actionable steps, and some harsh truths you need to hear. Stick with me to the end, because one mindset shift near the end could literally change your financial life. Pattern interrupt, upbeat tone. Also, if your bank account had a voice, what would it say to you right now? Help, I'm starving. Send Venmo? Yeah, let's fix that. Let's start with some brutal honesty. You're not broke because of the economy. You're not broke because you don't earn six figures. You're broke because of choices. Now hear me out before you rage click away. I'm not here to cancel your iced lattes or tell you to live off ramen. But I am here to ask, where is your money going? Here's the truth. Most 18 to 30-year-olds are in financial survival, not because they don't earn enough, but because they never learned how to manage money like a tool. You get paid, you spend, you feel good for a second. Then you're broke again. Rinse, repeat. It's not just a cycle, it's a trap. And the system? It's not designed to help you escape it. They want you addicted to credit, living paycheck to paycheck, numbing your stress with stuff you don't need. But the moment you see the trap, you can break out of it. But escaping the trap starts with changing one thing: your mindset. And that's where Act 2 begins. Let me ask you this. Do you see money as a friend or a monster? Most people fear money, or worse, they ignore it. To fix being broke, you need to start thinking like someone who builds wealth, even if you're starting with nothing. Wealthy people don't budget because they're broke. They budget because they respect their money. Your budget isn't your enemy. It's not there to ruin your weekend plans or kill your vibe. It's a blueprint for your freedom. Want to stop being broke? Start telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Track everything for 30 days. You'll be shocked at where your money's leaking. That $11 subscription, you haven't used it since Obama was in office. Cancel it. But mindset is only part of it, because even with the right attitude, if you don't take strategic action, nothing changes. And that's where we go next. Step 1. Emergency fund. Start with $500, then build to $1,000. It's not just about saving. It's about security. No more panicking over surprise bills. No more credit card spirals. Step 2. Destroy your debt. Focus on high interest first. Use the snowball or avalanche method, whichever keeps you going, because debt is the chain around your ankle, and every payment chips away at it. Step 3. Automate your wealth. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investing. Don't rely on motivation. Rely on systems. And there's one more step, one that turns ordinary people into millionaires. It's not a secret, it's not flashy, but it works like magic over time. We'll get to that in just a second. But first, if you're still here, give yourself a round of applause. You clearly care more than most people about your future. And now, let's talk about the superpower the broke never use. It's called compounding. The earlier you start investing, the less money you need, and the more wealth you build. Time is your ally. The broke ignore it. The wealthy use it. Want to know exactly how compounding works and how it can make you a millionaire even if you start with $100? Click on this video right here, The Power of Compounding. I'll show you how to turn small, consistent habits into life-changing wealth. Don't just fix being broke. Build a future so strong you never worry about money again.